So I would now take this opportunity to go ahead with what everybody is waiting for, with bated breath. We would like to invite Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam to deliver his address.
Good evening, friends. For me, it's a great, what can I say, inspiration to meet Dr. Badrinath every time I meet him. It's an inspiration for me that one single person, his thoughts, Alamara Virchan, Alamara hospitals, Alamara Virchan. So it has grown. And nearly 2 million patients last 30 years plus you have done. So I really, inspiration for me, this institution, particularly Sankara Netralaya. Dr. Badrinath ji and Dr. Bhaskaran, specialists, doctors, paramedics, nurses, researchers, students, testing guys. One thing I found wherever I went, always smiling. You know? It's a good symptom. The organization is very healthy. Whether the researcher or the respected the driver of Badrinath, everybody was smiling. So I'd like to congratulate you for a great institution, what has been created here, the Temple of Eye. I'm delighted, friends, to visit Sankara Netralaya, and rightly named as the Temple of Eye. The mission of healthcare is in Sankara Netralaya has commenced, I think, 1978, and nearly more than 3 decades of eye care research in Sankara Netralaya has become very important milestone in reducing the avoidable blindness considerably in the country, and also pioneering research in stem cell application and glaucoma diagnosis and treatment. You see, I have visited almost all ophthalmic centers in the country. Wherever I go, I look for only one thing. What is the type of glaucoma research going on? What type of diagnosis system for glaucoma is there? What the type of treatment going on? So the pioneering work started from this time. Sankara Netralaya, pioneering work for glaucoma started. I would like to greet with gratitude the founder, Dr. S.H. Badrinath, for his unique contribution in eye care of India. Friends, I would like to congratulate all the team members of Sankara Netralaya for the excellent contribution in eye care. I would say a few words on something what I feel on the eye research missions. In challenging eye care, friends, Vision 2020 program has created a unique awareness among the doctors, patients, and social transformers, which has resulted in a good impact on care giving and reduced the number of cases of avoidable blindness in the country. Though we have made substantial progress in the reduction of avoidable blindness in the country through the Vision 2020 program, you are a great partner in that. Diseases such as diabetic retinopathy, glaucoma are increasing very fast, for which we have to find a cost-effective solution so that our aim of complete eradication of avoidable blindness within the next decade is achieved. It is noteworthy Sankara Netralaya's contribution towards glaucoma research through a study, the Chennai Glaucoma Study and Molecular Genetics of Glaucoma in South Indian Population ongoing 2001. This study report reveals important risk factors associated with the primary angular cancer disease with the recommendation of a diagnostic and treatment. I met a number of researchers here a few minutes back, and I was very happy that a lot of research going on in this area. Another important research area is on the major finding on diabetic retinopathy and possible research areas such as early and cost-effective diagnosis of the diabetic retinopathy and integrated care for diabetic retinopathy, neuropathy, and nephropathy. I am sure the world-class research will emanate from Sankaranethralaya as usual in the field of glaucoma diagnostic and treatment and diabetic retinopathy research. Just now I saw a lot of research work going on. Friends, when I see all of you, the members of Sankaranethralaya who are working day and night to reduce the avoidable blindness in the country, I would like to share with you my experience of my visits and discussion with researchers, clinicians in the field of eye care in many parts of the country in the world. First, I am going to Australia, Brian Holden Vision Institute. On 18 May 2011, I was in Sydney where I visited and interacted with a team of doctors, ophthalmologists and vision experts from the Brian Holden Vision Institute at the University of South Wales. Professor Brian Holden and Professor G.N. Rao are working together on many research activities. Both Brian Holden Vision Institute and L.V. Prasad Eye Institute are conducting research and trials in the areas such as identifying and preventing genetic eye degradation, low-cost, robust vision correction devices. These are the two specializations they are doing. Then I found Schaffer's Eye Research Institute, Boston. Subsequently, in September 2011, I visited Schaffer's Eye Research Institute, Boston, where I saw unique work on the image processing in relation to visual function and clinical psychophysics in the low vision rehabilitation, image understanding, and the evolution of a display vision interaction. They are also working on oculometer control and binocular vision. Now then, the L.V. Prasad Eye Institute, which quite often I visit. When I visited L.V. Prasad Eye Institute, both at Hyderabad and Bhubaneswar, one research area yielding good results in treating burn cases by taking stem cells from the patient's eye itself and administer on the patient for curing burn injury or spillage of acid. But now I saw in Sankaranethralaya that 89 patients have been cured, I understand, using the stem cell. Now in Aravind Eye Care System, Madurai, the Venkateswamy Eye Research Institute, researchers are working on better treatment and prevention of diabetic retinopathy through gene therapy and developing medicine for treating cornea-affected personnel with fungal infections. Now here, when I am here in Sankaranethralaya Medical Research Foundation has organized Southeast Asia Glaucoma Interest Group Conference, Pioneering Work, where the thought of retinal neuronal dysfunction through glaucoma was discussed. They also provided a future direction for glaucoma therapy by prevention or delay or reverse decay of the retinal ganglion cells and axons. The organizer found the result of the genomics and proteomics would play a vital role in early detection of glaucoma. I saw a very important facility has been generated for proteomics work. Stem cell may help restore vision in patients who have glaucoma by repopulating or rescuing the damaged cells. Stem cell can also be used for terminal stages of glaucoma. A few of our ophthalmologists are already working in stem cell therapy. Gene therapy approach is applicable to either lower the intraocular pressure or protecting the retinal ganglion cell. This approach could reprogram the target cell by transferring genetic material into them so that they lower intraocular pressure physiologically. Increase in research infrastructure and human resource. Visits of 12 ophthalmic institutions in India and abroad brought out one aspect clearly, that is, intensity of research and clinical treatment has to get enhanced by increasing the research scientists, clinical doctors, and paramedical staff who are exclusively involved in the research of glaucoma. I suggest Sankaranethralaya, with its pioneering work as foundation, to make adequate research capacity pressure for ophthalmic care can